Top 20 Noam Chomsky quotes. Noam Chomsky is an American professor and public intellectual. Education is a system of imposed ignorance. For the powerful, crimes are those that others commit. Reading and critical thinking are the essence of freedom. The role of intellectuals is to serve as the conscience of their society. It is the responsibility of intellectuals to speak the truth and expose lies. You never need an argument against the use of violence. You need an argument for it. The general population doesn't know what's happening, and it doesn't even know that it doesn't know. People not only don't know what's happening to them, they don't even know that they don't know. Changes in progress very rarely are gifts from above. They come out of struggles from below. Nobody is going to pour truth into your brain. It's something you have to find out for yourself. Human language appears to be a unique phenomenon without significant analog in the animal world. When we can't understand something, we try to transform it into something we can understand. There are significant questions about what we understand of our own mind. Resistance is feasible even for those who are not heroes by nature, and it is an obligation. We shouldn't be looking for heroes. We should be looking for good ideas. Language is a weapon that can wound or heal. Be mindful of how you wield it. People pay for what they do, and still more for what they have allowed themselves to become. The structure of language determines not only thought, but reality itself. Language is a reflection of human thought, which is layered and often complicated. Every person can make a difference if they choose to see themselves as capable of change.